Have you ever wanted your own secret place in a tree? This is a story about the family treehouse.
Look at this big tree. Wow, it is so big and tall. I have an idea. Let's build a treehouse. A treehouse? What is a treehouse? It's a house in a tree. We can build one and play there. That sounds amazing. Can we really build one? Yes, but we need Dad's help. Let's go ask him. Dad, we have a great idea.
What is this great idea?
We want to build a treehouse in the big tree.
A treehouse? That is a wonderful idea.
Can you help us, Dad? Please. Oh, and if you like this story, please press the like button.
Of course I will help. But first, we need to buy supplies.
We need wood, nails, and a hammer.
Okay, I'm writing that down.
Don't forget the hammer and paint.
Good idea, buddy. Good thinking. We also need a saw, screws, and rope.
Can we get paint too? I want a blue treehouse.
Of course, blue paint it is. Let's go to the store.
Yay, blue paint! I want to go!
All right, let's go get it. The family drives to the hardware store.
Wow, this store is so big. It is. Let's look around.
Of course, buddy, lead the way.
Look at all the tools. This is the best.
I'm glad you're having fun. Let's find the wood first. Follow me.
Look, Dad. Here are the wooden planks.
Good find, Emma. Let's see. I can help.
Wow, you're so strong, Oliver.
Careful now, buddy. Perfect! These are strong and good for a treehouse.
I found the paint. Blue, my favorite color. We need nails, screws, and rope, too. Let's find them.
They go back home. It is time to build. First, we build the floor. Emma, help me hold this plank.
Okay, Dad.
Perfect! You are a great helper.
What can I do, Dad? I want to help, too.
You have an important job. Give me the nails when I need them.
Yes, Dad. I will be the nail helper.
They work together for a long time. The floor is ready!
You got it, Dad.
Let's put up the walls. 1, 2, 3, 4 walls!
4 walls. This will be the best treehouse ever. Dad, here are more nails. Do you need them?
Perfect timing, buddy. Yes, please.
Here's a plank, Dad.
Great job, Emma. You're both a big help. Yes, thank you, Oliver. Pass them up carefully. The walls are finished, but now there is a problem. We do not have enough wood for the roof.
Oh no. What are we going to do? And I am hungry too.
Hello, everyone. How is the treehouse going? First, let's eat. I made sandwiches and lemonade.
Thank you, Mom. This is delicious.
I'm so glad, sweetie.
Anna, we have a problem. We do not have enough wood for the roof.
Oh, I see. We should look into that. Maybe we can find more materials nearby? I have an idea. Wait here.
Mom goes to the garage. She comes back with something special.
Look, we can use this big blue cover for the roof.
Wow, Mommy, it's perfect. Yeah, let's build it now.
Great idea, Anna. This will really help. Great idea, Anna. A tarp roof will work perfectly.
You both are doing a wonderful job.
And the last nail! The treehouse is finished!
It is beautiful. Let me go up first.
Go ahead, Emma. Be careful.
We're right here, sweetie. Hurry up, Emma. Wow, it's even better up here. Wow, you can see the whole backyard from here. Look, Oliver, I can see our house. Wow, this is the best place ever.
Mom and Dad climb up too. The whole family is in the treehouse.
This is amazing. I am so proud of all of you.
We built this together, as a family. That makes it special.
This is our secret place now. only our family.
The family watches the sunset from their new treehouse. When a family works together, they can build anything, even a dream.
Now, here is a question for you. What did the family use for the roof of the treehouse? Was it A, more wood, or B, a blue cover? Think about it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.